Hello! Welcome, students. Welcome to the class. Our lesson for today is phonics and reading. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Double letter, consonant sounds, phonics and reading. Br, cr, fr, words. Br, 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 ed, bread, bread. Br, broom, broom. Br, ain, brain, brain. Br, own, brown, brown. Let us read some words and you repeat. Break, break. Brunch, brunch. Bride, bride. Bricks, bricks. Broke, broke. Braid, braid. Bridge, bridge. Brave, brave. Brush, brush. Let us read some sentences and you repeat. The tree branch fell to the ground. The girl braids her classmate's hair. She brushes her hair before going to school. Let us go to the next lesson. Cr, cr. Cr, ab, crab, crab. Cr, eek, creek, creek. Cr, I'm, crime, crime. Cr, all, crawl, crawl. Let us read some words and you repeat. Crush, crush. Crowd, crowd. Crib, crib. Crazy, crazy. Cry, cry. Crane, crane. Crown, crown. Cruck, cruck. Crayons, crayons. Let us read some sentences and you repeat. The car crashes into the tree. The children are crying in the class. The king wears a crown on his head. Let us go to the next lesson. Fr, fr. Fr, og, frog, frog. Fr, oots, fruits, fruits. Fr, ease, freeze, freeze. Fr, I, fry, fry. Let us read some words and you repeat. Frozen, frozen. Fresh, fresh. Frame, frame. Friends, friends. Free, free. Fraction, fraction. Front, front. Fright, fright. Frisbee, frisbee. Let us read some sentences and you repeat. The fruits are fresh from the farm. Carol and John are best friends in school. They play frisbee at the beach. Good job, class. See you in the next lesson. Bye.